Well, this should be a pretty quick video, but it's the beginning of an interesting saga that I'll try to document for everyone. When installing my front tire, the new TKC 80, I really had an issue, and I'll try to edit in the clip here of where the actual break happened. But afterwards, I noticed I had a loose spoke, so tried to fix it. Pretty simple. You just hold some pliers here, and you just turn these guys with T30, and it straightens itself out. But this one wasn't straightening out right here. So I'll give you a little test, show you what you do, which is you just spin the wheel forward, and you'll see right there. Watch closely. See the dive? That dive, I shouldn't be laughing because this doesn't cost me a lot of money, is right there. So circle, circle, whoop, circle. Not present on the other side, just this side. But I was just trying desperately to get the tire on, and I broke the wheel. Well, I bent it. It could cost $150. It could cost $200. It could cost $400. So we're kind of in that range. At the end of the day, if it hits the $400 mark, I will spend the extra $300 and get a 21-inch wheel and then reuse my stock hubs. So I'm sending it to replace Woody's wheels. Very popular among the BMW crowd for wheel repair. They're in Colorado. So again, the bike is down for the count right now anyway. There's no riding going on this time of year. So I'm going to send it in and get this little guy here repaired. If they can't repair it for under $400, then I will have them move the hub, and the rotor over to a 21-inch wheel for around $700, so $300 more, and I'll be able to upgrade. It will need, I just pay a little bit more and replace this front wheel, so this wheel will go up for sale, never used, to anyone that wants it locally. But quick update, really sucks. It really sucks. And as I was just saying on Adventure Rider, that there are thousands of people, presumably at least hundreds a day worldwide, that are spooning tires onto spoked wheels. And my first try, I bent the wheel. Just a fucking shame. And I know you can hear the defeat in my voice. It's just, it's really is a shame. I don't really know where I went wrong. I mean, I know I forced it, but I spent like 20 minutes trying to get this bead over that final hit there, and the tire was not going. It simply was not going. And so, lesson learned, instead of paying $100 a year to have tires mounted onto my bike, now I have to pay $400 to fix a wheel, and then pay $50 to mount a tire to it. Oh man! All right, well, it's late. It's like 11 o'clock, and there's definitely a dead animal in my attic because I can smell it. So we're up got a twofer today: dead animal and a destroyed OEM wheel. Which, if you buy these things new, you guys should look at Max BMW's website. Go to the parts fish and spec out an OEM wheel. It's really good times. Okay, guys. I guess have a good day. Thanks for watching.